We are the only station committed to covering Colorado first for you. You could get your ballot any day now. In just 19 days, voters will elect leaders in several important races and 14 statewide initiatives.
Your political reporter, Sean Boyd, is breaking down those measures for you. Tonight, she's giving Amendment H a reality check.
Amendment H is the result of a scandal involving Colorado's highest court, a scandal that exposed a lack of transparency and accountability in the state's judicial disciplinary system. Here's what you need to know. Beginning in 2019, reporter David Bengoya published a series of stories about the state Supreme Court's involvement in an alleged scheme to cover up widespread judicial misconduct. Former Chief Justice Nathan Coates was censured and resigned. Investigators accused other justices of obstruction, retaliation, and intimidation. In the wake of the scandal, the legislature referred Amendment H to the ballot in an effort to change a system that allows state and county court judges to largely police their own. Under current law, the Commission on Judicial Discipline, made up of judges, attorneys, and civilians, handles complaints involving judges in secret. There's no public record of its investigations or findings. Hearings are closed to the public, and most judges who are found guilty are privately censured. Only the handful of cases referred to the state Supreme Court for sanctions become public. Of 344 complaints filed last year, only 3 resulted in public sanctions. And that's a lot for a single year. Over the last 40 years, only 12 judges have been publicly sanctioned. Under Amendment H, the Commission would still privately investigate complaints and could still privately censure judges. But if formal proceedings are needed, the case would be referred to a different commission or adjudicative board for public hearings and discipline. While the Supreme Court would have a smaller role, it would still hear appeals, appoint the people who set the rules for the new board, and the judges who sit on it. The governor would appoint the other members, attorneys and civilians, who make up the majority of the board. State lawmakers voted almost unanimously to refer Amendment H to the ballot, but not everyone supports it. A group called the Judicial Integrity Project says less than 1% of complaints will ever make it to the public hearing stage. The Commission on Judicial Discipline receives hundreds of complaints each year, and over the last 30 years, it's dismissed or privately sanctioned 99% of them on average every year. And Amendment H does nothing to change that. I'm Sean Boyd. That's Reality Check.